Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter configuration website for Cudy AC1200. And to do this we'll need to look on the bottom of our router, and right here you should be able to find the IP address, and that's the link we need to enter in our browser. So you can open any browser on your PC, laptop or a smartphone. Make sure that you're connected to your Cudy router, and now enter this IP address. So it's 192.168.10.1. Now open this website, and here we have our configuration site. We can enter our credentials, and you should also find them on the bottom of your router, but by default password should be admin. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.